Taylor with Fresh Start Detailers. Today we are working on 2 twin mattresses and 2 queen mattresses for our customer who just moved into her brand new home. Because we all know mattresses can be an investment. Some things that we often see on mattresses or reasons why we clean them is due to dust and allergens. Dead skin will build up on your mattress as you lay on them throughout the years. These are all things that Fresh Start Detailers can rectify with our cleanings. So we're going in here with the air mover with the speed dryer, and we're just really focusing it on those mattresses as it's getting done. We guarantee that it's going to be 85 to 90% more dry. This is really for the comfort of you guys. It's for convenience, and it's something that we highly recommend and we love to offer, and it's something that our customers are also loving as well.